I am Mattis. Today, I want to share some high-quality American products with you. In this video, I will introduce some American products that I believe are highly recommended. Not only are they of superior quality, but also very cost-effective. I hope you will like my sharing. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.
iShanCare Diabetic Wound Ulcer Cream is a homeopathic ulcer healing ointment. Fast healing of skin ulcers, varicose ulcers, septic wounds, pressure ulcers, bedsore, legs and feet ulcers. iShanCare Foot Ulcer Care Ointment provides 24-hour infection protection. All diabetic foot wounds healing cream penetrates deep into the internal tissues, regulates blood circulation to the wound, and promotes skin regeneration. 100% natural iShanCare Ulcer Prevention Cream contains 2% calendula active ingredients: calencorifolium seed, calamus, draco wild, eucalyptus radiata, lemongrass, sesame oil, beeswax. Mild non-irritating. iShanCare Ulcer First Aid Cream is a must for people with ulcer wounds at home. Its composition is smooth and non-sticky, mild and non-irritating. And ulcer first aid cream can be safely used for bedridden, disabled children, adults, and the elderly. What we give iShanCare Ulcer Relief Ointment offers 365-day money-back guarantee.